God, it's bloody cold. Parsnip's got his new jacket on. And we're on our way to a bando.
maps, I just can't work it out. Paul was complaining about never being on the video.
I wasn't complaining.
This is a video of Paul and Parsnip in his new pyjamas. Walk. This is Paul and Parsnip walking in Darley Dale. Why? I think my narration's quite good. We are on the side of a cricket pitch. Look. We are now walking towards the Derwent Valley Trail. More to follow.
That's all the railway nonsense from Peak Rail.
Yeah.
Stick my hand in and then you can have a better look. All the way up there and all the way down there. And those boys in front of us are smoking the reefer. We can smell it. I can only see you though, Karen. You're blocking my route to the boys ahead. We're going to submit this film to the police because they're naughty. We're on camera. This seat, dedicated to those affected by COVID-19, specifically.
I've got long COVID. I have.
Karen reckon that looks like a horror film fight. It's water. Parsnip. Water. Horror film. We see how high this water's got. It's like it's got quite high, etc. Yes, we're on the Heritage Way. And then, oh, look, that's upwards. Can you believe there's an upwards as well? There's an alongwards. Looks a bit dark, that. Might be alright.
Here are some nice trees, and my husband and my dog. Oh!
This is Matlock. We've been in there. Yeah. Got that ring in this shop. Got plenty to it. You walked into that sign. Yeah, Matlock is picturesque and everything, but it's so fucking busy usually. They're drinking wine. Anyway, that's what Matlock looks like